Hello everyone, this is Amit from Beyond Alpha. Gold and silver had massive run in the year 2025. On one hand, gold delivered 64%, on the other, silver delivered nearly 150% returns in year 2025. At the time of making this video, gold is trading around $4,450 per ounce, while silver is trading around $78 per ounce. Do you think can these levels sustain? In this video, we will cover the key fundamental drivers, the near-term headwinds, and the key technical levels that could shape the next leg in the precious metal. Let's first look at the factors that support gold and silver prices. And the very first factor is geopolitical tensions remains elevated. The ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia, the rivalry between USA and China, and the recent conflict between Venezuela and USA. The Middle East tensions that could impact global trade routes, and the rising global protectionism. These factors continue to drive safe haven demand for precious metals. The second biggest factor is central banks remain strong buyers of gold, led by China, India, Russia, Turkey, and several Middle Eastern nations as they diversify their reserves away from US dollars. This provides a strong structural floor to the gold prices and indirectly supports silver prices as well. Third biggest factors that support gold and silver prices is expectations of Fed rate cuts in 2026, and especially when Trump is going to announce his new Fed chief in upcoming days. And the lower real interest rates remains a key tailwind for non-yielding assets like gold and silver. Silver benefits from dual demand, both as monetary hedge and from industrial use in EVs, solar panels, and electronics, alongside supply constraints. Now look at the factors that could create near-term headwinds. Index rebalancing. The major commodity indexes like Bloomberg Commodity Index and S&P GSCI Index needs rebalancing every annual year. And this is the process they do generally in the second week of January. This could create selling pressure on the precious metals while adjusting their weightage, as the weightage for these metals increases because of the run-up they had in the previous year. Besides index rebalancing, profit booking after a huge run-up, and the stronger than expected US data or rising yields can cap the upside for precious metals. Now let's talk about the key technical levels in gold and silver. Gold is facing resistance in the zone of 4,500 to 4,550 levels and taking support around 4,330 level. A sustained breakout above 4,550 levels could open the door towards 5,000 in gold. Talking about silver, silver is taking support at 70 levels while facing resistance around 84 levels. A breakout above 84 could push silver towards 100 plus levels. Let's conclude this video. You can expect two-way volatility in the near term, but as long as the key support levels are holding, the broader trend in both the metals remains constructive. So stay tuned to the macro data, to the geopolitical tensions, and the key technical levels I discussed. I hope you're gonna like this video. If you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.